Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add, edit, customize, and link text on Wix. This is an essential skill for anyone building or managing a website, as text elements are the foundation of communicating with your visitors and guiding them through your site. First, you'll want to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left navigation menu on your dashboard. Click on Site and Mobile App, and a drop-down selection will appear. From this menu, click on Website to proceed to the next step. Now you'll be able to see all the websites you have on your Wix account displayed in front of you. Browse through and look for the specific website where you want to add, edit, customize, and link text. This is important because you want to make sure you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple projects. Once you've selected your website, look for the Edit Design button located on the top right corner of your screen and click on it. This button is your gateway to making any visual changes to your site's layout and content. After clicking, you'll be directed to the Wix Harmony Editor. This is the main workspace where you can add your text, edit, and customize it, and add links as well. The Harmony Editor gives you full control over your website's design and functionality in one streamlined interface. Now from the left side menu, look for the plus add button and click on it. This opens up all the elements you can add to your page. From the options that appear, look for the text element and click on it to see what's available. You'll see various formats for text such as titles, paragraphs, running text, and collapsible text. Take a moment to choose which type of format you wish to add based on your content needs. For this tutorial, we'll simply use a title, double-click on it to add it directly onto your website canvas. The text element will appear and you can position it wherever you'd like on the page. Now that we've covered how to add text, let's move on to the editing part. Locate the text element you just added and double-click on it to edit its content. This allows you to type in whatever message or heading you want to display to your visitors. Next comes the customization part, which is where you can really make your text stand out. Locate the Custom Style option on the top customization menu. Here you can change the text style, font, color, size, and animation along with shadow effects. These options give you complete creative control to match your brand's look and feel. Play around with different combinations until you find what works best for your design. Finally, to add a link to your text, simply highlight the text by double-clicking on it and selecting the portion you want to link. Then click on the link button from the submenu, click Choose a Link, and from here you can link it to a page, section, web address, or even a document. This is incredibly useful for directing visitors to other parts of your site or external resources. And there you have it, you've successfully added, edited, customized, and linked text on your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.